Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, I'm back again with another video, my people. My people, I don't know, so when I come out, I come with the real news, Real news around here. So guess what I want to do? I want to press like, I want to share, I want to subscribe, and I want to press the notification bell and click all. All right? Tell a friend to tell a friend about Atafa the Press. I'm back again. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. My people, you know, so before me get into it, me have to big up my good up subscribers, them. So today, I want to big up Clinton Francis, NF5MM, NM, and Clinton, subscribe to my channel. Clinton, big up yourself. Guys, if you want a shout out, the first person to subscribe to my channel and comment I subscribe will definitely get a shout out. My people, anywhere, when can hear it in my voice, may have a little bit of cold, all right? Right this so wanna hear this.
Yeah, so how you say that word? Because I can't get nothing written, so I can't at least video.
The appeal board is right there, so you write down the board right there.
Yeah.
But first you do it to custom. You make an appeal to custom. To make a custom, you're appealing the value that was applied to you. If you don't get through there, then there's another step. There's 3 steps. That board is the last step. The appeal court.
So where and who do I where is that? Where do I appeal?
You custom as an appeal. So you write it to custom appeal section. Right. And if you don't get it through, then you go 3 steps, then you go to another one. And it must be done.
So
how long is this?
This
is over a month?
Yes.
Oh, it has time limit.
Because look,
you can just go to the
I paid for the first it's the second time now they're marking up the bike. I paid first they tell me 220, almost 230,000. I paid that. Then they say it was marked up. And then they charged me another 220,000. Then I paid that. And then now they're telling me to pay another 100. After I paid that, they said I was going to get the bike on Tuesday. Monday night.
Write off the appeal number and go to that appeal.
Write off the appeal number.
Yes.
Is that
the board there?
Yeah.
Yes.
Is it a...
I'm telling you from. Yes. The board from.
All right, my people. When I see them as something a daylight robbery though. A long time customer do them a type of things here, my people. My viewers and subscribers, them things are daylight, bare-face robbery. You hear what the man say? The man say he pay 230,000, nearly 230,000. Then he go back and pay 220,000. And now they want to charge him again. And all know the man can get him back. Wanna tell me if that makes sense, my people? When I see them do them type of things, I take them want to take it for themselves. I believe, personally, I take them want to take it for themselves. That's what they do. Anytime things if you come through that the place, the problem, they charge you one bag of money. Sometimes they charge you don't even get the things them one time you pay the money. May I tell you, them need to stop that. Them two thief for them place there. They need to stop that. You hear what the man say, my people? You can't bet that this man not gonna get him back, It's so much thousand fuck out already. Nearly 230,000. And then 220. And now them a charge him again. And now him have to appeal. Appeal for what? After the man pays so much money? Yo, custom, you need to cut out them dirty style there. You need to cut out them dirty style there. It is not right in a fear upon the people. And when done, when the Prime Minister get up and talk about prosperity. Prosperity where? Listen, you have some people come over here in my comment section and I talk about everything where I say, Andrew Holness, listen. Andrew Holness know about everything what happen. Him know about everything that is happening. So nobody thing say him no know. Him know. Lot of people always come out and complain. People take it to social media and complain and him not look into nothing. But my viewers and subscribers, this what them do to the poor man. Wanna tell me if this is right? Wanna talk it truth now? Wanna put in the comment section and tell me if this is right. How the hell the man for pay nearly 230,000. Then again the man said them for pay him, he for pay 220 and the man did just that and come back again. The man for pay more and the man figure appeal. The man can't get him bike. No, come on, man. Them things are not right. These things not right. Mr. Custom always a do that. They love money. Them always a do that. You always have a problem with custom. Always. They always want to charge you a bag of money. Bag of money. Them always a charge you. And it's alleged. Let me use that word there. It is alleged. Anytime people are traveling with them things, they always charge an extra amount of money. For example, if you go down with all 2 phone or a laptop, yeah, and stuff like that, then charge you all 160,000. Them a charge you, and them then take half of it. Yeah, it's alleged. That's what they do. It is alleged. That's what they do. And custom, on to stop them dirty style there. On to stop it. And as I say, my people, if the top of the stream is dirty, the bottom of the stream I got to stay dirty too. It I got to stay dirty because the top of the stream is not setting no example. You can't believe this. Look how much money that for your bike. Come on. I know the man have to go appeal. The man have to go ring for appeal. All them rubbish there. May I tell us that the man is not going to get this a bike here. But I really hope him get the bike. I hope for the best for this man that he get the bike, because if they charge him so much money already, I know them are telling about appeal. My people, on the ERR, yeah, when him ask the man if I over a month, on the ERR, yeah, me tell you, them not easy. The custom them not easy, none at all. I just feed them dirty style that. And she don't have no care in the world. She just attack. She don't have no care in the world. I send the man to go make phone call. And the man now go get that the bike there. But hopefully, as me say, him get it. Uno tell me what you think. Put uno opinion in the comment section and tell me what uno think, alright? My viewers and subscribers, hear this. SAV Deputy Mayor welcome to the JLP fold. Deputy Mayor of Savannah Lamar, Ian Miles, who recently crossed the floor of the Westmoreland Municipal Corporation, was given a green shirt as members of the Jamaica Labour Party welcome him to the party at the St. James Southern Constituency meeting at Anchovy High on Sunday. Some people, wanna hear that now? So the Deputy Mayor crossed over from the PNP and gone over JLP. But wait, they stick a pin. Now, other day, me come out and say, the mayor was in tears to see how Savannah Lamar Hospital is progressing. Yeah? Now, other day, me come out and talk about the mayor of Westmoreland, how he was in tears to see what is happening in Savannah Lamar Hospital, my people. And then when you look twos, it was like a couple days after me come back again, come read it in the article. Me come back again and let you know, say Christopher Tufton said he has to put some of the blame on the mayor. Me never telling my people, so how now? This tell me if this look good. Christopher Tufton come out other day and say how some of the blame, yeah, with Sav Hospital, he might forgot put some of the blame over to the mayor. And then now, the deputy mayor left from PNP and gone over to JLP. Wanna tell me people, me tell you no man. Me don't understand these people, you know. Me don't understand them. They don't make no sense at all. No sense. This a man left. Him did a PNP and he left and gone over to JLP. Something not right, my people. Something not right. Because if we not look into it, it's just last week sometime, Christopher Tufton come out and said the mayor have to take responsibility of Savannah Lamar Hospital, because how up there the people them always asleep on the floor or in a chair. The people them not have space, they not have bed space. Them claims that they have bed, but they not have no space to put the bed. That is Sav Hospital. That's what they claim. You understand? So this a sound right too, no? No, sir, my people. But I tell you no, enough of them are sell out. You hear what I say? I said enough of them are sell out. Enough of them are sell out. And if they really love Jamaica, if all this man really love Jamaica, Yeah, I love the people of Jamaica and say I'm a deputy mayor. Yeah, you want to say I move over to JLP. Stupid move that. Stupid move. And you tell me say this is a you tell me say this is a coincidence as Christopher Tufton now want put some of the blame on the mayor now. Yeah? So you tell me say the mayor. Then you tell me now say this is a coincidence. Remember, I know. Me just say to no Christopher Tufton say I'm gonna put some of the responsibility on the mayor. The mayor don't have nothing to do with the hospital. It doesn't have nothing to do with the hospital, nothing to do with the hospital. So how after the man in tears, the mayor now in tears because he see what is going on at Sav Hospital. Then Christopher Tufton him now run out and talk about the mayor to get some of the blame. I read it in the article other day. I'm do some research and that's what he said. I'm read it too now. If you not follow me, if you not a real fan, you know we know. So, is this a coincidence or what? I ask you know, is this a coincidence? I something in a something, my people. Sometimes when I talk, I just read between the lines. You understand? Right. That's why I try to break it down for you. You get me? Anyway, my people, hear this.
Like say on them girls, no shut me up. No boy, no dear, no weird. Hear me? Hear me? As the Cornwall Regional Hospital, and it is a disgrace what is going on at Cornwall Regional. People are in hospital, and I jump off a bench, and then I see the minister go down there. And when the minister tour the hospital, the minister eat bread and sardine. Bread and sardine in my eat. When the hospital overcrowded, when machine not work, no ICU bed. And we have said, tough time, your time come for you to go.
Tell them again, Dayton Campbell. Tell them again, right there so. Christopher Tufton, he need to go. Him time is up. Me agree with Dayton Campbell. Me people, if you no agree, you no put agree in the comment section. Me agree with this man. Because Christopher Tufton, he do nothing to help the public sector. You no hear me come here and talk about it nearly every day. You no know something left out that the part there. You understand me? Right. So, Christopher Tufton, you need to go. Me tell you already, say Andrew Holness come out on public platform and say how Christopher Tufton is doing a good job and he is so proud of Christopher Tufton. Me people, tell me one thing, can me agree with Dayton Campbell. Guys, you know say nursing is my profession, me people. So anytime anybody talk about the hospital, me I tell her say touch a nerve, you know. Because I don't like how them a deal with the public sector. I don't like how them a deal with the people them. Because the people them a pay them money. Them a get taxpayer money and they can do better. So yes, all who want Christopher Tufton to go, on just write Christopher Tufton, go now. Guys, like and share out the video. Subscribe to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome my people and remember to turn on a post notification bell on so when me drop the video them, wanna get them straight away. Bless up on a nice clean self. I'm out.